to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and I'm so glad you joined me today for our updated Dollhouse tour. There's lots to show and share, so let's go. This is our doll's home office. It features a large built-in double workstation, additional bookshelf, and comfy chair in the corner. I've wanted to craft an office area for a long time, but space is a premium. So to do this DIY, I had to deconstruct our old kitchen first. I carefully removed the shelves from the butler's pantry, then resized this foam board to make the side walls, shelves, and frame for the study unit. It's spray painted in Rust-Oleum Blue Harbour and covered the desktop in wood grain contact paper. I harvested the drawers from our older My Life As desk DIY, then adhered it under the desk to divide the two workstations. To elevate the craft, I have these recycled string lights, and I'm going to insert them into the top shelf to create down lighting. The battery pack and strings will be covered by the top frame. The shelves are decorated with mini DIY books, plants, and small picture frames bought from Daiso that we just use pictures from an AG magazine to fill. The miniature bust was bought off eBay, and the globe and camera are from older Our Generation sets. The desk drawers are really deep, so they fit a lot of our bought and crafted stationery items. On the desk, we have two American Girl monitors and our DIY printer. The mouse is made from hot glue and a piece of Lego. To make the additional bookshelf, I took the doors off our colourful cubbies DIY and covered the whole thing in more wood grain contact paper. Now we have a place to keep all our doll-sized books, notepads and binders. Then placed a bright faux plant in the bottom cubby to weight the bookcase. To dress the window, we reused the foam board with the tile motif from the butler's pantry and gave our DIY chair a touch-up by painting the legs black. The metal chairs are from American Girl's Tea Time table set. Their colour and design complement the simple yet comfy and elegant home office space. Now let's transition from the office to the kitchen and eating area. This space utilises the largest room on the middle tier of our dollhouse. 90% of the furniture in this room is DIY'd. Against the back wall, we have our crafted version of AG's 2025 Gourmet Kitchen. Inside the upper cabinets are boxes of cereal, flour and pancake mix. The fridge is stocked with a variety of dairy products, bottled water, sandwiches, fruit and pastries. I really like the see-through element of the fridge door, so you can display more of your collected and crafted doll foods. Our DIY stove also has an oven light, and inside we have some cookies and brownies baking. On the stovetop, the dolls are boiling the kettle and making an omelette in the fry pan. There is more storage space inside the dishwasher and the cupboard below the sink. This is where we keep our cookbooks and chopping boards. On the shelves above, we display some cooking pots, a baking pan, scale, and a plant for some greenery. The cupboard under the window got a renovation to match the kitchen. In here, we keep more baking pans and dishes from our AG collection. On top, we display American Girl's green mixer, kids' garden scales, and our DIY wheatgrass plant. I added hooks on one side to hang a grocery bag and later an apron. To the left of the room, I've placed AG's tea time table, and the chairs are from Our Generation's pizzeria set. The chairs have been painted black to match the black accents in the kitchen, such as the faucet and shelf brackets. Our older DIY corner hutch got a makeover too, so now the dolls have a dedicated coffee bar. And there's a message board blue tacked to the wall between. Here is our bonus DIY island bench. The drawer under the bench is huge, so it holds all our dolls' cutlery and kitchen utensils. I really liked the modern, clean aesthetic of this kitchen and how I was able to customize the color and fittings when making my own DIY version. Now let's move to the room next door to have a look at the extra dining room. In this space, I've switched back to American Girl's oval-shaped dining table and chairs. And I've brought back the big display cabinet that I made in, I think, 2017-18. Here, I've just rearranged the dish sets that I'm going to display. Inside the cupboard and drawers, I have more dishes, serving trays, and cutlery. Next to the cabinet is Carissa's retired sewing table, and it's one of my favourite pieces from AG. On it, I have displayed a selection of cakes and pastries. For wall art, I'm using the black mirrored panels again that we used in our last dining room. And I've styled the white Journey Girl tower with gold candlesticks and pink accessories from American Girl. To brighten the far right wall, I have a Family is Forever plaque bought at the dollar store and put flowers and a candle on Kristen's blue bedside table. You can find these mini porcelain milk jugs at Daiso, and they are perfect for whimsical flower vases. On the floor below the dining area is our new media room. In the centre is Mary Ellen's pull-out couch with some throw cushions and a custom Hufflepuff pillow. The ottoman is from our generation's vanity set. The wall-length curtain is just 2 standard pillowcases, pleated and pressed, then hot glued to a strip of foam board covered in metallic contact paper. The feature wall is also made of foam board. It is layered for dimension and covered in wood grain contact. Even the big screen TV is made from foam board. I measured and cut the pieces so it could house an iPad. The device pops snugly inside the frame, so our dolls can happily watch their favourite TV program or YouTuber. For the speaker details, I used printables from my Froggy stuff. The Xbox console and VCR sit on 2 of AG's pink bouquet nightstands. Inside the drawers, we have electronic accessories such as Courtney's cassette player and tapes, AirPods, and game controllers. So our dolls have a luxury movie experience, we set up a concession stand in the back. First is the drinks tray. Then the dolls can choose from a variety of collected and crafted items like popcorn, pretzels, candy, and fairy floss. Tucked in the shelves, we also have a few crates of games, the projector from Joss's collection, and a stereo player. To give this room subtle but fun lighting, we're going to snap some glow sticks and place them on the curtain ledge. When evening falls, the media room is our dolls' favourite hangout spot.
Time to close up shop.
You guys have nachos for $5.
As a matter of fact, we do. Depends who's asking. It is my duty to protect the Rocky Mountain Ski Shop, which holds pretzels, brownies, cookies, and of course, nachos. So what will it be? Cash or credit?
I'll pay cash. Can you make a takeout?
Moving up now, we are heading to the top level of our dollhouse, where we have our Hamptons-themed bedroom. We featured this room in our previous 2024 tour. In that video, we showed how we changed AG's purple bed by covering the head and footboards to create the coastal elegance of Hamptons furniture. We've made some small tweaks with the accessories on the nightstand, and underneath we keep our DIY candle and soap collection. We made a custom laptop table tray for this bedroom, and you can click the card top right to check it out. Under the window is an older American Girl table, and on this we have Leah's flower vase, alarm clock, and a bowl to hold the doll's phone and AirPods. On the floor, we mixed different coloured placemats and scraps of fabric to give it a luxurious feel. The Our Generation vanity and AG gold stool are the same as before, only now the seat is covered in gold striped fabric. This is a really good sized vanity, with lots of space to display your doll's beauty products. And tucked into the corner is our DIY standing lamp. Next door, we have the updated living room. We wanted this room to be bright and light, with accents in natural colours like brown, green and pink. Against the back wall, we have a new feature fireplace. The structure is made from cardboard and I used hot glue to sculpt each stone, then painted it white for a modern twist. The fireplace is framed using an actual picture frame and the internal area is covered in brick scrapbook paper. We've placed taller tea candles to light the space inside. We've clustered a variety of bought and crafted accessories on the mantle and hung our older DIY black bathroom mirror to anchor the arrangement. We kept the see-through display shelves from our DIY entertainment unit, switching up a few of the items we used to decorate the shelves. The cute mini baskets on top are from Daiso, and you'll find them in the stationery section. There was a lot of glare when I was filming this section, so I'll open the door so you can see what's inside the second display case. This is American Girl's hot pink comfy couch, but the colour doesn't work with this room's aesthetic. So I made a grey slip cover to go over the top. With a few plump cushions, the couch has a calm vibe. The remote controls are kept together on the Grand Hotel tray, and the tray rests on an oversized calico fabric ottoman. We have AG's older TV set, and I really like the size and scale of it. We just recovered the boxes with wood grain contact paper. In this drawer, we keep all our doll DVDs. In the cupboard, we keep some magazines and a tablet. And here we have our microphone from the karaoke set. You can store everything away neatly, and it's a really nice, sturdy piece from AG. Our artwork is just pictures from packaging that we saved. And later down the track, I'll take some skinny sticks to make some frames for them. Let us know in the comments what you think of this updated doll living room. Next up, we have the lavender bedroom. I wanted this space to have a soft, dreamy feel. I also wanted to try making a canopy over the bedhead. So I stitched a crochet doily to a metal ring, then attached a sheer purple scarf to the outside of the ring using clear command clips. The clips come with a strong yet removable adhesive so you can stick it to the ceiling of the dollhouse. I made the bedspread in Claudie's DIY bed, and I'll leave a link to that video in a card. Here we have the silver Grand Hotel bedside table. It has various knickknacks on top, and of course, our dolls are keeping hydrated with their Stanley water bottle. To give the back wall some texture and dimension, I took a sheet of white poster board and covered the lower half in wood grain contact paper, then added a chair rail using layered strips of foam board. We've used this chest of drawers in the dollhouse for many years. The drawers are big and deep and can hold our doll's sunglass and handbag collection. The top of the chest doubles as a vanity. On it we display our doll's skincare products, makeup brushes and perfume. Let us know if you'd like us to show you how to make these adorable miniature beauty blenders. The final bit of furniture in this room is American Girl's flip-top desk. On the desk is our Addams Family-inspired typewriter and an oval caddy that can hold our doll's books, pens, pencils, scissors and all sorts of stationery. For a large rug, we are using a black and grey striped tea towel. And that is our 2026 updated Dollhouse tour so far. Over the past 12 months, there have been some serious ups and downs in my real life. As a result, I stepped away from creating for my YouTube channel. But thankfully, things are so much better now, and I'm finally able to show you what I've been doing in the Dollhouse off camera. Thanks to all of you for your continued support, and if you haven't already, subscribe to help us get to 5K. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!